Hi, I'm Anand Chaudhary from John F. Kennedy Middle School, and in this video, I want to continue with the topic we were at last, which was matrix multiplication. Except this time, instead of multiplication, I want to focus on adding and subtracting matrices. So, let's get started. Matrix addition and subtraction is fairly simple if you know how to just regularly add and subtract. So, here we have three matrices that I just made up. So, it's matrix A is equal to 4, 6, 3, and 2. Matrix B is equal to 8, 12, 6, and 4. And matrix C is equal to 3, 4, 2, 7, 6, 8. So one thing I should tell you guys is when you add and subtract matrices, it's commutative, so it doesn't matter which order you keep them in. So let's start off by adding matrix A and B. So matrix A plus matrix B. So first I'm going to write matrix A, which is 4, 6, 3, 2, plus matrix B, which is 8, 12, 6, and 4. So as you can see, we have 4 different numbers in both the 2 by 2 matrices. So I'm going to call the top left value value number 1, the top right value number 2, the bottom left value number 3, and the bottom right value number 4. Same goes for both of them, so value number 1, value number 2, value number 3, value number 4. I'm gonna make a separate matrix here just so I can simplify. And so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add both the value number 1s together, so it'll be 4 plus 8. Okay. Then over here, I'm gonna add both the value 2's together, so it'll be 6 and 12. 6 plus 12, and you basically just do the same thing for each. So 3 plus 6, 3 plus 6, and then 2 plus 4. Now just to finish it, you just want to simplify this, and you have your finished added up matrix. And so it's simply gonna be 12, 18, 9, and 6. So that's basically how you add matrices. And now I'll show you how to subtract. Subtracting is the exact same thing, so it's just except you're subtracting it. So it'll be A minus B, and remember it doesn't matter which order it's in because it's commutative. So I'm going to do matrix A, 4, 6, 3, 2, minus 8, 12, 6, and 4. The way I like to do it is multiply this minus into this and make it an addition problem. So it goes in like this. So it'll be 4, 6, 3, and 2. So matrix A stays the same, except it's going to be an addition sign, and then you make all the values in here with an opposite sign. So all of them are positive here, so I'm just going to make them all negative. So negative 8, negative 12, negative 6, and negative 4. It doesn't matter if you do this or not, but I just find it more simpler to do. You could just easily just subtract them into the normal matrix, but in my opinion, this way is much easier. So I'll show you both ways. So if I were to do this first method here just without simplifying it more, it would be 4 minus 8, 4 minus 8. It would be 6 minus 12, 6 minus 12. Remember, we're just doing the same values and subtracting them. So this next one would be 3 minus 6 and 2 minus 4, which is exactly what you would get if I were to do this. See, I would get 4 minus 8, 6 minus 12, 3 minus 6, and 2 minus 4. So now if I just simplify this, I would get a simple matrix of negative 4, negative 6, negative 3, and negative 2. So that's how you add and subtract matrices. But you see I have another matrix here, and it's just to show you something that if I were to perhaps add or subtract matrix B and C, B plus C, I would do the same thing here. 8, 12, 6, and 4, plus 3, 4, 2, 7, 6, 8. I would add up 8 and 3, 12 and 4, but I don't have a value to add with the 2 or a value to add up with the 8. So basically you can't add or subtract matrices which don't have the same dimensions, or in other words the matrices that don't have the same number of rows and columns. So that's basically it on how you add matrices and how you subtract matrices. So I hope this video came to some help for you, and please subscribe and like the video, and thank you.